Right, so earlier on today was the Clacton Airshow, the 30th anniversary of the Clacton Airshow that's been running. I've been waiting about a year, I reckon, for this event to come around, so it's been quite a long wait. Didn't fail to disappoint. The Red Arrows in particular were very good. They're all good displays, and particularly with it being free as well. You know, I mean, I did the Southport Airshow last year, and I think that cost £10-20 to get in, and also the fuel to get up there and all the rest of it. So Clacton Airshow is not too far away from Colchester, so I had a drive over. The photos obviously aren't mind blowing or anything, but they serve a purpose. You know, you're never going to get Clacton as busy as that unless it's an event like this. And also, loads of people have cameras, so there's no suspicions or concerns off the public. Everything was fair game, really. So yeah, had a bit of a wander around, captured people kind of sitting, enjoying watching the event. A couple of photos of the planes, and yeah, that's about it. All the photos will go in with Wharton on an A's, Frinton on Sea, and I'll probably do Jaywick, and then that's it. That's that little area done. Cheers.